If you want to grow back your edges and you're also struggling with thinning of hair, this video is for you. Make sure you watch it to the end of the video to see the result and to also learn from the things that I've been doing that has helped me to get my thick relaxed hair. Like even if you're relaxed or you're not relaxing your hair, just watch this video and learn from it. So from the video you can see the before picture showing what my hair was looking like. Then when I flat iron my hair is always looking like something that is weird, like very thin and weak. So I wasn't happy about it and I decided to start my hair growth journey. And in the video of me combing my hair, that's like the result after I started my hair care journey. Even though then, I was still new to it and there were still some things that I wasn't doing right, but I was just excited that I could flat iron my hair and I could still retain this much thickness. Like you can see the video compared to the one in the picture showing before. So what I started doing is I started relaxing my new growth alone. So if you're the type that relax your hair and you relax all the hair strand, you need to stop doing that. Only focus on the new growth when you're relaxing your hair. And if you're the type that love to have your hair very slick pressed, you just want your hair to be in this form, flaunting it, then make sure you use heat protectant as seen in the video, and also minimize the rate at which you flat iron your hair. Okay, just basically make sure you are balancing it, and if you are doing it, make sure you are using heat protectant. So in this particular part, this is also another progress of what my hair looks like after flat ironing. Now my hair is already beginning to gain a lot of weight because one, I've started relaxing only my new growth, and then the second one is I minimize the use of flat iron, and I also use heat protectant before flat ironing my hair. Before I get to the major thing that I want to share with you guys, if you've gotten to this part of the video and you're yet to give it a big thumbs up, please do well to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and leave a beautiful comment down below for me. You guys can see what the hair is looking like after flat ironing. Oh my god, you guys, can you see the thickness? I mean, this before I was always concerned about flat ironing because my it doesn't come out well, it comes out really weak and thin. Plus another thing you should note is when you're flat ironing, you should flat iron using the low heat. So this is the major and the my favorite part of this video, which is the clove oil. You guys, clove oil is my bestie. Clove oil is my bestie. I love it. I started using clove oil in 2022, and trust me, I've not stopped using it. I am still using it because it is my go-to oil. So this oil is very very beneficial for hair growth. It helps to stimulate hair growth, helps to improve blood circulation around the scalp, and it also contains high level of antioxidant properties, which helps to prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and also soothe dry scalp and irritated scalp. So if you're the type that always have this itchy scalp, trust me, this oil is good because I used to be like that. That's one of the reasons why I used to get a lot of relaxer burn then, because I have a itchy scalp and then I scratch it. I know they agree, I dey always scratch them. So in the process I get scars and then I still go on to relax my hair. Those a lot of manipulation, constant damaging of the hair that I was not aware of then. Okay, so clove oil will help you minimize itchy scalp. Now this is what my hair is looking like after all the proper hair care routine. For your edges as well, just make sure you use the clove oil, and trust me, you're going to see a good result when you are consistent with the application of the clove oil around your edges and then you massage it. you will definitely see a result. You guys can see the results of the picture before and what my hair is looking like now, and even my edges is a lot. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.